My dear friends, I want to give a very clarity on process requirements, process function, product function. By and large, about 40% of the success of any FMEA, especially on any process FMEA of any process, will be depending upon these three. I repeat, clarity on process requirements, clarity on process function, third one, clarity in terms of product function. Right. I will take a typical example and then try to explain you the new version of FMEA, AAG VDA version, first edition, 2019. It is the latest one. Okay. Gives a lot of importance on this. I have taken a typical process. Now, based on that, I will explain you. Are you able to view the screen now?
Yes.
What is the process, sir?
Yeah, welding.
I have taken a typical welding process. Cap welding. Please see, welding of this particular cap. This is the cap. Okay, this is the cap. The enlarged view shown here. Okay, so this is where the welding takes place along with the tag. This is the tag. I can call this even a pure tag. My dear friends, now you are doing a welding. What are all the process requirements in this stage?
Welding.
Sorry?
Welding type.
Welding rod, welding type.
No. Requirements are, kindly note down, friends. Process requirements are, 1 minute. You are going wrong. That's why I stopped immediately. Difficult also. Process requirements are expected output. Expected
voltage, current.
Expected output, sir. Again, you are going wrong.
Leakage. You arrest the leakage.
Wait. You are all going in a supersonic speed. But I'm an old man. Right? Expected output of that particular stage. The welding has been completed. The operator claims that the welding is finished. Okay, the welding is finished. What are the stage level expected positive outputs? Only words I'm adding. I'm adding one more word: positive outputs.
Avoid leakage.
No. Stage. In the stage, nothing called leakage. Please understand. Or only in the stage. Stage level output.
The cap material free from.
1 minute, sir. Welding in the right places. B. Continuous welding. Bead. You call bead, right? BEAD. Continuous. It should be continuous. Discontinuity is not allowed. I repeat, discontinuity is not allowed. Continuous. Please, sir, can you add one more? Only one more, sir.
Without the inclusion blow.
Sorry?
The defects, no? Defect without free from defects.
No, sir. That is generic, non-technical. I'm telling you. It should be technical. I'm adding one more. One minute. I'm adding one more. Must be 1 minute, sir. Output, sir. Again, you are committing a mistake. I know this is difficult, but come down to my level and then understand. I started writing something. Must be. Started again. I got completely diverted. Positive outputs, expected outputs must be achieved. Be achieved. Okay, that means results. Results. They are the results. One more. Must be technical. Must be technical. You should never say free from defect. You should never say okay part. You should never say acceptable part. You should never say as per drawing. These are all non-technical. I repeat, these are all perfectly non-technical, which will lower the quality of your FMEA. Your analysis will be of no use if you are not taking care of these parameters, these guidelines. Right.
As per
Third
requirement.
one. Anything from you, sir? Third one. One more requirement.
As per requirement, strength should be qualified.
No, that is also non-technical.
Flux.
Probably you may tell
As per inputs,
minutes, sir. Full strength. Full strength. Yet. Maximum, that's all, sir. Kindly understand, these are all the stage level outputs. These are all the stage level outputs. You may tell aesthetics. I am okay with that. Okay. Plus. Aesthetics. What do you call, sir? When you are doing welding, there will be some porous material, formed on that. You call that exact name, I cannot recall now.
the flux.
It is seam welding, sir.
No. While attempting a welding, there will be some small drops, unnecessarily they will be forming on the surface.
Spattering.
Correct. But correct? No spatters. I agree with you. Friends, I stop here. These are all the expected outputs. If anybody is having any doubt on this, please ask me. These are all the stage level expected outputs. Aesthetics you may add on. But my dear friends, the meaning for the word function? Function means?
Purpose.
Purpose. Very good. Function means purpose. What is the process purpose? It will be difficult for you, I'll tell you.
No.
To create a weld joint between body of the, we call as cap and I call this ID of the tank. No harm. ID of the fuel tank. My dear friends, these are all achieved to be measurable as far as possible. Whereas this one need not be measurable. Need not be numerics. This is ideal to be numerics. I stop here. If you have any doubts, you may ask me. This is the process function. Purpose of the process. What is the purpose, sir? To create a weld joint between X and Y. That is the purpose. Very important, sir. Very, very important. If you have any doubts, you may ask me. Are you okay? Now, I move on here to product function. Product function means product purpose. This will come on long-term basis. Long-term. This is short-term. This one is short-term in the sense you can immediately decide. Short-term. This is also partially short-term. whereas this is long term. Can you tell me what could be the product function?
To
No leakage.
without
Sir,
leakage.
no leakage.
Very good, very good, very good. See, you are all telling leakage here. Process requirement. No, leakage should come only here to ensure. Yeah.
Strong welding.
Cap welded and to avoid L
Leak.
leakage slash possibility of fire. Possibility of fire. I stop here. If you have any doubts on these three, you may ask me. Possibility for a fire. Possibility of fire. Friends, if you are able to achieve process requirements, kindly understand, requirements are outputs. Don't say welding electrode diameter or grade or voltage. No, outputs. Kindly understand. Process requirements are outputs. If you are able to achieve all process requirements, can you achieve process function? Think deeply. Think deeply. It's a difficult
Yes.
concept.
Yes.
Yes. If you are able to achieve all process outputs, you may achieve process function. Yes. If you are able to meet out your process function, can you ensure your product function also? I repeat.
Yes.
I repeat, sir, एक minute. I repeat. If you are able to meet out your process function to create a weld join between OD of component XXXXX ID. Okay. If you are able to meet your process function, can you ensure your product function also?
Yes.
Yes.
Not always. This is where product designer's role is very, very important. Okay, this is where the product designer's role is very, very important. What is the role? They fitted this particular tank. You remember? Experience? Ford Pinto?
Backside.
in an inappropriate place, in an unsuitable place. Can you achieve your product function? Can you achieve
It's
your product
possible.
function? No, you cannot. You cannot. You cannot. Clear now?
Sir,
Clear now?
I did not get the concept here.
If you are, I am coming step by step. If you are able to meet out to your process requirements, most of the times you will meet your process function also. Process purpose. Sir, read here and read here, sir. You can understand. Then only you can understand. Don't go by my words alone. Go by the real concept, whatever has been narrated and explained here. I have documented. I am ensuring that the welding joint between OD and the cap end and ID of the fuel tank is perfect. That means I achieved everything here. I achieved everything here. If I am able to achieve everything here, mostly I will get this. Mostly yes, sir. Mostly yes. But if I am claiming that I have achieved this, there is no guarantee that I am going to achieve product function also. That is where product design plays a vital role. I go one step further, sir. Assume that the sheet thickness, sheet thickness is wrongly specified, wrongly selected. You can claim that you achieved everything here. You can even claim that you achieved everything here. Can achieve this, sir? Can achieve this?
No.
The sheet thickness they are wrongly selected. The material they are wrongly selected. The material grade they are wrongly selected. Okay. Even the place of welding. I am just assuming a situation. Sir, better the welding should have been designed here. Cap should have been designed here. I'm just assuming. You may not achieve the product function. So, in the shop floor, I come to your point now. In your shop floor, as a process responsible person, because you are responsible for the process design, you cannot say I'm not design responsible. You may not be responsible for the product design, but still you are responsible for the process design. Clear now? For the process design. You can guarantee your customers on this. 100% you have to guarantee. You can guarantee this also, but you cannot guarantee on this unless until you are product design responsible also. I stop here. Yes. Okay.
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah, please.
So what I could understand is,
Yeah.
if your product design, whatever they have designed, if it is not correct, even though if you have met process requirement and process function, your product function will not be correct.
Brilliant, brilliant. You made it so simple. Is it Tamil?
Yes, sir.
Tamil rocks, sir. Today I'm just CD because both the names are coming here, appearing here. Okay. Excellent, sir. Excellent. Excellent. If possible, repeat your statement once again. If possible.
If process requirement and process functions are met, if our product which is designed by the design engineers, if it is not correct, then it will not meet the customer requirement.
It need not.
I need not.
Say it should. There is no guarantee. There is no guarantee. That's all. As simple as.
Okay.
Brilliant, sir. Brilliant, brilliant.
Operation success doesn't end it.
Operation success. Patient died. What to do? Okay. Success, correct. Correct. Operation area is welding. I agree with you. Welding is successful.
Yes.
But tank failed ultimately. Patient died. I agree with you. Perfect. Okay, na? That is why, friends, that is why the new system always recommends, demands you for concurrent engineering. You know what is called concurrent engineering? Simultaneous engineering. Your product design and the process design should happen together, not like this. I completed my product design, sir. No process design, I'm going to couple along with this. No, rather they should be concurrent, overlap. 50% overlap, sir, if not 100%. Brilliant, brilliant. Tamil brilliantly explained. I appreciate it. Friends, with this, just open your template. Just open your template. Tell me where process requirements are addressed in the template. You should see the body, sir. Forget about the header portion. Forget about the header portion now. Enter into the main frame. Main frame in the body, main frame. Just A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. We coded, na? We given codes, alphabets.
A, input sources.
No. Where process requirements will come?
Structure analysis.
Nine. Which column? You must go by ABCD, sir. You must go by ABCD.
B, forum.
Okay.
C, sir.
Nice. Yeah. Process requirements. Please see here, I'm writing. Process requirements will be addressed in column E.
product as
Column E, sir. Please read column E.
function of the processes step
Correct.
and
The process.
Correct. Correct. Where process function and product function will come? दोनों एक ही column में आएगा. Both will come in the same column. Tell me the column ID. It is, they will be in column D, sir. Please check, sir, column D. I go by my memory, sir, because I have done various assignments. A lot of implementation we have done, our team has done.
Function, process function and product.
D, ne? Column D, ne?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you are able to understand? Are you able to understand now? So column E, process requirements. Requirements means outputs. Tell this to yourself. Tell this to yourself at least 10 times. Requirements means outputs. Requirements means results to be achieved. Requirements means what is to be achieved at the stage. Positive outputs, technical, expected outputs, ideal to be with numbers. Whereas process function, product function are the purposes. Why you are doing? By achieving E, I repeat, by achieving E's, okay, whatever you mentioned in column E, in turn, what is it you are going to achieve? You are going to achieve process function and product function. Purpose. Function means purpose. Okay, is it clear to you? Nice, friends.
Sir,
Manoj, are you okay? Yes, sir.
Sir, when you say column, whenever, irrespective of any process requirement, we should blindly go to column E. That's what you are saying?
Perfectly all right, sir. But one thing, just to know, just make a small correction. Don't go blindly, go with the logic. This is the logic. Process requirements are outputs.
Okay. Sorry. Yeah.
Not a problem, not a problem. Okay,
And
I
if
understood the
process
spirit behavior,
function
right?
is always column E.
Function 100% column D only.
Okay.
Process function, product function. I think I also made a classification. Subdivision is that. Just check. Just check. I think first you have documented process function, some gap, then product function. Column D. You are perfectly right. Okay, anything else?